Hi everyone, we're going to do a little quick tutorial on creating a little rainbow. So a rainbow baby is a baby born after a baby loss. Many photographers already have rainbow baby items, but what if you don't and mama says she has a rainbow baby? Well, what you can do is you can use LSP Rainbow Spectrum. What's great about this is you can add rainbows to outside images, inside images, to dresses. She has a whole list of amazing actions. I'm actually going to hit the rainbow wrap paint fine, and I'm going to hit play. Now what's great about Lauren at LSP is she has all kinds of little tutorials as you're going. I'm just going to hit continue. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the opacity on the layer. So now remember, if you change your mind, you can turn it on and turn it off. And I'm actually just going to reduce the opacity so it's nice and soft. Okay, then once I do that, I'm going to take my eraser tool and erase where I don't want the rainbow. I definitely don't want it all over her beautiful face. Zoom in a little bit so I can get it, and also increase the hardness of the brush a little bit more. And just go ahead and erase. What's great about this is you can save this as a layered Photoshop file in case mama doesn't want it or changes her mind, or you can just go ahead and flatten it and save it. And this will save you time and money. There's so many other uses for her rainbows. You can add them to beach scenes and all sorts of scenes, and we all know that rainbows make us very happy. Isn't that fun? And then if I wanted to, I could add a little color in here. So I'm going to flatten this. And then I'm just going to go over here to the color change. And I'm actually going to add just a little darker pink in her headband. Just so it's a little darker, not much. And there we go. Okay, enjoy. Check out lspactions.com.